over $55 in passive income today alone. More than $336 in the last week. $1,154 in the last month. Absolutely incredible results. Checking our Binance account in the last 3 months, our Binance account grew from $22,542 all the way up to now $35,000 with this trading bot. Stay tuned. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel for yet another Eazybot update video. Eazybot, in my mind, the best cryptocurrency trading bot for Binance and other crypto exchanges out there. Absolutely stunning results. As we can see, Eazybot, as all cryptocurrencies itself as well, went absolutely insane during the last 3 months. We saw an account increasement of over $13,000. Now, this has a couple of different reasons. First of all, obviously, all the trading results. We now have over $9,000 in trading profits from Eazybot. But besides those trading profits, we now also profit from coin appreciation from Ethereum and Bitcoin itself, because we now run 2 Ethereum Bitcoin bots with Eazybot. We now here have our first Ethereum Bitcoin bot with 0.04 Bitcoin running, and somewhere here we have the second one with another 0.06. So we have over $4,000 invested into the Ethereum Bitcoin trading pair. And obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum appreciated about 50% in the last couple of months. So just like that, without having trading profits, we also appreciated over $2,000 in this as well. Now, we also opened up new bots. We can see right here on 8th of December, so about 2 weeks ago, I just started another Cardano, Uniswap, Filecoin, Polkadot, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash bot. While still my old bots of those coins are still running. So you can see here, Filecoin, Uniswap, they are all still running. Polkadot right here, Cardano right here. Why did I open up new bots? Those coins right here, or those bots, are still running on the old strategy. And now the bots down here are running on the newer enhancement strategy. So I can also see a little bit of a comparison right there. You know, if the old strategy works better in different kinds of conditions, if the new strategy works better in different kinds of conditions, and I can just compare it a little bit. I think it's just a lot of fun, and also more bots, more profits, you know, like it's as easy as that. But with all happiness, obviously keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is any kind of financial advice. Please do your own research. We're in the cryptocurrency space where there is a lot of volatility. There's a lot of upside potential. There's a lot of downside potential. Keep that in mind. There is a lot of risk involved in those kind of investments where you can achieve financial freedom fairly quickly. Now, for me, Eazybot is a real long-term play, and I hope that those $35,000 in the Binance account right now will grow all the way up to retirement money one day. Checking my Eazybot profits per month. I'm now in from June 2022, so for about 17 months now, and you can see I had all the results possible. I had 8.3% profit in the last month. My lowest months were between 1.01% and like 1.3%. On average, I gain a portfolio growth of about 3.7% per month. Now, those are my results. Everybody else's results are completely different. They might be higher, they might be lower. You don't know, because all bots have individual buy-ins. You know, they are not equal. They don't start at the same time. They don't finish at the same time. So I may profit 3.72% per month. You may profit 2% per month. Another guy may profit 5% per month. We don't know. All I do know is that Eazybot throughout the last 1.5 months made insane progress throughout their trading strategy, the team commitment, all those Zoom calls, how they keep the community into it, up to date with all their enhancement strategies and everything involved in that. I started 17 months ago with 2 bots and about $2,000. And now throughout all this time, I gained so much trust that I now have over $30,000 invested into it. The great thing about it, is you don't even have it, let's say, invested into a company. It's still on your exchange account. So I use Binance. All my funds remain in my personal Binance account. I do not have to send it anywhere else. It remains in here all the time. So even though those bots are active, I can still, if I choose to do so, withdraw all the money from my Binance account. Maybe I need to use it somewhere else. Maybe I want to cash it out into fiat currency. You don't know, but you can do it at all times, no matter if those bots are active or inactive. The funds remain in your control. Now, as you can see, I'm all hyped about Eazybot, and there really isn't much reason not to be excited about this opportunity that Eazybot is providing us. The team behind Eazybot 24/7 works on different kind of enhancement strategies. If there are better options, if there are better coins, if there are better trading pairs, just like they did when they introduced new and maybe even smaller coins like Cosmos or Avalanche to their ecosystem, or recently, about 3 months ago, with the Ethereum and Bitcoin pair. Who knows if they are currently working on other options as well, maybe again with Ethereum as a base currency, maybe with Bitcoin as their code or base currency. You know, they in the background work 24/7 to make Eazybot as successful and as profitable as possible. And if you want to join and want to experience that daily cash flow as well and join my team, there will be links down below in the description box, which leads you right to Eazybot, where you can just create an account absolutely for free, no strings attached to it. You can try out Eazybot 45 days for free using 2 bots, and after that there are different packages available with a yearly cost attached to it, and you can just choose yourself. During those 45 days of trial period with your 2 bots, maybe you have a great experience and you want to jump in, and maybe you say, well, that's not for me, and you're just off to the races again. It's completely up to you. I just want to bring it out and share with the world because this is, from my point of view, the best crypto investment and the safest crypto investment for me personally I've experienced in my 4 years with cryptocurrency. And I think having about $30,000 invested to it, a 4-figure monthly cash flow, there's nothing more you can ask for. Absolutely incredible. With all that being said, we see each other on the next one. Bye-bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream